Now let's start this question. Ugly number 2. Ugly number is positive integer whose prime factor are limited to 2 and 3 and 5. So given the integer n, return the nth ugly number. Okay, now you can see, I would say this question is very popular. So you also need to understand before you doing this question, you can solving the easy level. A, a multiple ugly number. You need to start from the easy level, and then you can start from this question. And then here we need to get the tenth number is 12, right? Before we getting this one, we need to get all the ugly number prior to 12, right? And then you can get the 12. So how to get the 12? So you can see here the prime factor are limited to 2, 3, and 5. So we had three choice, right? Three factor. So now here, let's come to here, and we know n is 10. So now we can you can understand we always start from 1. So now how to get the next factor of the number, the ugly number. So for example, so here 1, 1, 1. Which one we need to get first? So I mean one. Here is the number. The number need to time to the factor. So here we will get the 2, right? 2 times to 1, we got 2. 1 times to 3, we got 3. 1 times to 5, we got 5. So why we do this one? No matter which factor, we need to always start from 1. So the 1 need to time to the need 3 factor. We need to pick which one is smaller. Okay, now we get a new number 2, 3, and 5. Okay, now which one smaller is 2. Okay, now we can say the second ugly number is 2. Now because we use the 2, which means we need to increase. You can understand this index over the number, or you can say it's pointer. Now we always from the 1. Now because we already get the 2. So now next time we got the 2, we need to increase the number, increment this number by 1. So we got a 2. So 2 times 2, we got a 4. So here we do the same thing. 4, because we didn't pick this number in the previous position. So we still need to 1 times to 3, 1 times to 5. We got here 4, 3, 5. So now which one is smaller? Okay, now we know 3 is smaller. If 3 is smaller, right? Now here we're doing the same thing. We need to pick the 3 in our. You can understand is using a dynamic array. Is 3. Now because we use the 1 times to 3, now we need to increment this number by 1. Now here it should be is 2, right? So you can understand the pointer pointing to 2. Now 2 times to 3, we got a 6, right? Now here doing the same thing. Which one is smaller? Okay, we know 4 is smaller, so we got a 4. Now we know here already have 4 number, right? 4 ugly number. So now we already use this part, right? Now we need to increment the index by 1. Now 3 times to 2, 3 times to 2, we got a 6. So actually the question is just find out the multiply of 2 over 3 over 5, right? Now here we know that 5 is smaller. So now we need to append 5 in our dynamic array. You can understand it's array. Now we already use it. Now we need to increase the index by 1. Now here's 2. Now here should be gonna 10, right? Here we do the same thing. Which one is smaller? We know 6 is smaller, but we know 6 occurs 2 places. The 6 occur in the 2 factor and the 3 factor, and the factor 2 and the factor 3. Now here 6. Now here because they're both. So we know we cannot pick no 2 6 here, right? It should be a unique number, unique ugly number. So now we need to increase both index by 1 is 4, is 3. Okay, now we are getting a new number, new ugly number. Then here it should be A. It's 9, right? Oh, sorry. Here it's just only 1 6. We cannot have. We don't need to maintain the duplicate 6 right here. Now next step, do the same thing. We just keep processing the same step, right? Now here's next number 8 and the 9 and the 10. Just keep doing this way, and then we will find out the 10th number is top, right? So I don't want wasting time to keep doing all the step. It's just wasting time. You just understand the logic behind the thing. Now start coding up. Now here we have the dynamic array. Now finally we need to return array minus here. So now array is 0 equal to 1. So the first number always start from 1, and we can say I equal to 1. So now we have the while loop. And then we have the number. We need to check which one is smaller. Oh, sorry. Here we have the index, right? We have 3 index. A is represent the index of 2. The B is represent the index of 3. C, same thing of the 5, right? The 0, same thing here. Now we need to do here A times to 2. Now we need to still one more, the minimum method. We need to check which one is smaller. Now here I plus, we need to get a new number. So we need to check. We need to include the index for the 3 index, right? A, B, C. Now it's A times to 2. If yes, sorry, A plus. Now here we can directly copy this one. It's B and 3. Then here's C, the 5, and the C. So you can see here why here here is not else, right? No, we need to check all the 3 index. So just like here, we have both 2, right? We have both 2. So naturally, we need to check if we have maybe 2 factor, we get the same ugly number. So we need to increase both index by 1. So that's why here is not else, right? If just else, which means we just pick one if statement. Now here we need to maybe in a 3 factor. So for example, 2 times to 3 times to 5, what we get is 30, right? The 30 mean if we get a 30, the both factor we get a 30. So we need to increase the 3 index by 1 at the same time. And now let's run it. Yeah, you can see it pass on the test case. Okay, it's almost big 100%. So now the time capacity is B of n, because we just go through each number at once. And then the space capacity is B of n, because we create an array with the size of n, right? It's n. Now thank you for watching this video.